If you're a Jamaican living in Jamaica and would like to apply for a UK visa, here are the details.
The UK visa is one of the most expensive. So even though I've done this before, I'll do it again. Hi, if you don't know who I am, my name is Samoya. And I just got about my UK visa. I've renewed it for the third time. Now, the UK embassy, they're very specific with what they need. In my opinion, even though it's one of the most expensive, it's also one of the most straightforward embassies. They're very clear about their requirements. Now, if you're applying on a Jamaican passport, you're going to provide the standard visa required documents. If it's your first time applying, they're going to ask for more documents than if you're renewing. Usually when you're doing a renewal, they only ask for you to provide information about your trip and show that you can afford it, and that's it. But when you're getting it for the first time, you want to provide as many documents as you can, because you want to assure them that you're going to return to your home country, because that is one of the biggest concerns for every embassy. Will you return to your home country? So gather your documents, your bank statement or bank statements. You can either get the letter from the bank or download your bank statements from your online banking. You need your job letter and pay slips if you have pay slips as well. You're using this to prove where your income is coming from. Now, if your bank statement and your pay slip don't match up, for example, you have more money or you have more money incoming into your account than what you get paid, then you have to prove where you get that income from as well. So if you have an additional income, say somebody has sent you money or whatever, we also have to provide evidence of where that extra money is coming from. If you're planning to stay with family or friends in the United Kingdom, they're going to have to send you an invitation letter, and they have to show proof of their residency, whether they're a legal permanent resident or they're a citizen of the United Kingdom. The documents they provide, if you're staying with them, must also show where they'll host you. And if you can, provide evidence that they have rights to host you where they're hosting you. For example, if them say them go host in them apartment, then provide them rental agreement or them rental receipt for sure say them have apartment for real. Yeah? Once you provide all of that, they also want you to provide some assets in Jamaica to show you have life in Jamaica, right? So you can provide like car statements, you can provide, car statement, car title, land deed, or anything of the sort that shows that you have status in Jamaica. Now, outside of the persons who are gainfully employed, like a 9-to-5 job, if you're a business owner, then you'd simply provide your business registration documents. Now, these are general requirements. You may be required to provide more or less documentation based on your socioeconomic situation. It varies by applicant. Now, once you've gathered all your documentation, you're going to fill out the application form on the UK immigration website, after which you'll schedule your appointment at the Visa Application Center. So no, your application is not submitted at the actual UK embassy. They outsource it. So you go to the application center. Now, this is one of the biggest concerns that a lot of people have. What are they going to ask you at the embassy? Now, because your application is being submitted at a visa application center, you do not do an actual interview. Nope. I hope this helps you in your next application to the UK embassy. See you in foreign.